good, guys? It's your boy Swifty Builds, and we're back with another video. So as you can see, I got a new keyboard because the other keyboard that I just posted, like, it was a membrane keyboard, and I wanted a mechanical keyboard. So I got this Red Dragon Kamara 552 or something like that, I think. But yeah. So look, I basically have red switches, right? But the other day, this is my keycap puller. The other day I got some. Okay. The other day I got some blue switches, right? So I'm gonna just turn off my. Turn off the lights. So as you can see, I got the blue, but this is originally a red, right? So I'm gonna just tell you my honest opinion about the blues and my reds, okay? Let's get into it. Let's go. Alright, guys. So basically, I love the clicky switches. You know what I'm saying? And the red switches, they're not bad themselves because they're fast. They're faster than the original. You know what I'm saying? They're faster than the original. So, I'm saying the downside I would say to the clickies is if you're a kid like me and you like try to sneak on at night, it's probably gonna make a lot of noise. So my information for my if you want to you could I don't know who is gonna get this and then the blue switches, but if not, bro, if you don't get the red switches, if you don't have red switches and put blue switches in, just swap the red switches out and put in the blue switches. Put in the red switches. Swap the blue switches out and put in the red switches. Alright, guys, so basically, these are really clicky. I love them though. They're just so good. You know what I'm saying? Really nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show y'all some not gameplay, but I'm gonna let y'all hear it while I'm playing, and I'm gonna let y'all, decide which one you wanna pick. So listen, I know I should play with the red switches as well, but I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna play with them though. I'm just gonna click them around and do listen to that, right? So what I have to say is the clicky switches. The clicky switches, they're loud, but they're not as loud as we YouTubers say they are. Depends probably what keyboard you have, but I have the Red Dragon Kamara 552 or 225, I think, something like that. But it's a 60, not 60%. It's a 10 keyless keyboard. So if you want, you could go and get it, but make sure, because I made a huge mistake. Make sure so when you want, look at the price, look at the what switches they are, because if you don't, you might accidentally get the red ones if you're trying to get the blue ones. You might accidentally get the red ones if you're trying to get the blue ones. So just make sure you know what I'm saying. So I'm about to just pop up my little thing. I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm playing clicky switches right now. So I'm about to show y'all real quick. Let's go. So this is how they sound. You're playing, editing. I don't like my mouse right now. My mouse is looking trash, but I'm just working with what I got. Alright, so I'm gonna just build around, I guess. So, hold on, I gotta put my thing to normal speed. Because I was over here, as you know, very fast. Guys, if you want to get your editing faster, go ahead and put in a speed boosting, and your editing will probably get faster. Put in the little speed pad, I think, I don't know, and make it very fast, and then just go free build or go edit with it. I'm gonna put a link in the description of the map I'm in. It's like you know how you edit with all those layers. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Cause I know I'm not really that good at explaining myself and stuff. So yeah. But yeah, that's the. But yeah, that's the cookie switches. Now we're gonna get to red switches. Alright, so I'm not gonna be really playing with the red switches, so you could just see it. When they mean they go straight down, bro, they go straight down. So don't think there's gonna be a little bump like me. There's not anything. It just goes straight down. The red switches go straight down. And it's really fast though. It's like fast. But then at the same time, I think it like holds me back or something. I don't know, bro. When I was using it the other day, after using the blue switches, I just like something was really different. Real different, man. Real different. Cookie. So if you're going for a quieter, obviously the reds. But if you're going for clicky and you wanna go ahead, go for the blues, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll catch y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down, I guess, if the comments are on, because I don't know how to turn them on. But yeah, peace, guys.